Archie Ramos. I work for the government on Redstone Arsenal for Space and Missile Defense Command. I had an HVAC problem that I had called 2 companies out to look at before, and I was essentially going to be buying a new HVAC. So TJ was the person anytime sent out there, and immediately when he showed up, I just felt a genuine sense of honesty in this guy. And he's like, let me look at the system, let me go over it and all this. And so, you know, he came in and right away almost knew what the issue was because it was with a smart thermostat. And so, you know, he told me, he was like, we'd be more than happy to sell you a new HVAC system, Mr. Ramos, but you really don't need one. I really appreciated the honesty from him. And obviously that's representative of the company he works for. It only comes down from there. So when and if I do need an HVAC, I'll immediately call them because of the way they treated me in the past. So.